I know I might look a little bit crazy, but yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be filming using the new Patrick Starrr collection. I got the Miso Fleek. This is Miso Fleek package, and it comes with a blush called Take Me Home. It's a powder duo. And then you have the itty bitty eyeshadows right there, which are absolutely gorgeous. This blue right here, oh my gosh, bananas. And then we have the lipstick right there, and then we have the pinkish gloss. And then the other package has more of like a purplish type of situation going on with the eyeshadow palette. And then the lipstick is nude, which I really wanted, as well as the gloss. Oh my gosh. But I had to pick between the blue and the nude. Hopefully I will go back and get some, but yeah, without talking too much, let's get into this video. And this retails for $45 at MAC or online. So I'm just going to prime my eyes using some concealer and just set that, and then we'll begin. Just setting all of that with the Laura Mercier powder. First things first, I'm going to go into this shade right here and just put that in my crease. And then I'm going to try and darken that using the same shade. Just build it up and focus mostly on the outer part of my eye. And then I am going to go into this pink color right there and just focus that over here. Guys, look at that pink. Oh my gosh. This is so gorgeous, so pigmented, so rich. Oh my goodness. See, when pink shows up on melanin like this, it's a winner. It is such a winner. Oh my gosh, I can't stop packing it on. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. I really can't stop packing it on. And then taking a clean brush, I am just going to blend that out. I might need it a tad darker over there, so I'm going to go in with that first shade again and just pack it on and then blend it out. So right now I'm trying to decide if I should put this shimmery shadow on my crease or this blue. Ooh. I am just so feeling like I need to be out there with this look. So what are we doing, guys? What are we doing? Are we putting blue in the crease? Or, you know what? Let's take care of the under eye first. So, definitely the under eye, I want blue. So that's what I'm going to do. Using the blush mirror, I'm just going to focus that blue under there. Brush from ColourPop, blend that blue out. And then I've decided I will be putting that shimmery shadow right in my crease. Since I got better payoff using my finger, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use my finger, just rub that in there, and then just taking a clean brush, I'm just going to blend that together. And using that same blue, I'm just bringing that up to my upper lash line, just blending that in. And for the inner part of my eye, I'm going to go into that shimmery shadow and see how that looks. So right there, just to brighten up that look. And then guys, I'll be going into that Take Me Home blush. I think I'll mix both of them. Listen, that is such a pretty blush. It's so subtle, yet you know you can tell the difference, right? I think I found my new favorite blush. Oh, that is so pretty. It's subtle but very, very, almost giving you that fresh feel to the look. I like it. And just to highlight, I haven't used this highlighter before, so I'll be using it my first time in this video. It's the Maybelline Chrome Molten Gold highlighter. I want to see how it looks on my skin. I'm just using a BH Cosmetics brush and just... That is so pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh. And then I'm just going to take that right on my brow bone. Okay, and now let's try this lipstick. This is Hey Boy Hey. It's a retro matte lipstick. So just going to go right into it. So basically, this is what it looks like without the gloss, and then now I'm just going to put the gloss on. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and honestly, I love every product in this, and I wasn't sure about the, you know, like the lipstick and everything because I wanted the nude one. Maybe I will look into going to get that bundle as well, but honestly, this eyeshadow palette is amazing. The eyeshadows just blend so easily. I wish this little one had more pigment. I don't know why. I really wish it had more pigment, but this is just gorgeous. It's just giving me those festive feels. Look at that blue, guys. Look at that blue. Oh my gosh, look at that blue. Let me just swatch quickly. Look at that blue. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh. You already know how I feel about this blush right here. I absolutely love it. It's very subtle but very melanin friendly, of course. I loved how warm and subtle it was. It was just so pretty. And of course, the lipstick and the gloss, my favorite is the gloss. I wish I had the nude lipstick, of course, but you know, this one works as well. It can definitely work for an everyday type of lip. I hope you guys liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. There'll be more videos coming pretty soon. And with that being said, I love you guys. See you next time.